Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Make sure you head over to TipRanks TV to check out some of our exclusive content over there and to chat with me in the comments following this morning's videos. The link will be in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning. Currently, the Dow futures are up 0.47%, S&P 500 futures up 0.61%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.70%. Apple has acquired UK-based credit scoring startup Credit Kudos. Credit Kudos credit scoring service works for both businesses and consumers. It enables businesses to assess loan applicants by looking into their transactions and other banking data. They raised about $6.5 million in a 2020 funding round. The Apple deal valued the startup at about $150 million, according to the blog. Without confirming or denying the Credit Kudos acquisition, an Apple spokesperson told Bloomberg that the company buys technology startups from time to time, but it does not discuss its intentions. The Apple stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 13%. Global investment firm KKR announced that they have acquired 3 Class A self-storage properties in Denver and Nashville. KKR has been focusing on the self-storage real estate space in recent times. In December of 2021, the company launched Alpha Storage Properties to acquire and manage a portfolio of self-storage assets in high-growth markets and strategic infill locations across the country. To that end, the acquisition of the properties in the fast-growing metropolitan markets of Denver and Nashville adds over 2,000 units to their self-storage portfolio. Analysts rate their stock a strong buy with an average upside of 46%. Technology-based real estate brokerage company Redfin announced the launch of rental searches on their platform. The move allows prospective tenants to see updated listings of properties every day, search with tailored filters, and connect with property managers. Further, owners looking to sell can also make use of the platform to list their properties. Property managers, too, stand to benefit from this launch as they can reach a large number of consumers who visit the Redfin platform. The searches will be powered by a marketing technology and services platform, RentPath, which the company acquired in April of 2021. Their stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 86%. And 3D Systems recently revealed that it has entered into a partnership with Enhatch, the developer of the intelligent surgery ecosystem. The partnership will give 3D Systems access to their intelligent surgery ecosystem, which ensures the streamlining and scaling of the design and delivery of patient-specific medical devices by automating the process. This will allow 3D Systems to efficiently cater to the growing demand of medical devices. Enhatch stands to benefit from 3D Systems' expertise in surgical planning solutions to reduce surgical time and other complexities. Analysts rate the 3D stock a hold with an average upside of 35%. Now, moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Darden Research and the FactSet Research Systems. And in the after hours, we'll be hearing from Neo, Co-Diagnostics, and The Honest Company. Yesterday, we heard from Phunware, who came out with mixed results for their fiscal 2021, having earnings lag, but revenues beat analyst expectations. Their net revenues rose 6.4% year over year to $10.6 million, surpassing the estimates of $10.3 million. Meanwhile, they reported a 2021 loss of 71 cents per share, which was wider than the previous year's loss of 50 cents per share and the street's estimate loss of 34 cents per share. With just one analyst rating, they come in as a moderate buy with an upside potential of 38%. We also heard from Cintas, who came out with better than expected results for their third quarter. Their third quarter adjusted earnings stood at $2.69 per share, above the consensus estimates of $2.42 per share. Their revenues in the quarter were $1.96 billion, above the estimates of $1.9 billion. The top line represented an over 10% increase from the year-ago quarter, driven by growth in segmented businesses. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 11%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Nikola. Their stock is rallying following their investors event where they announced they began production of their electric trucks earlier this week. Under the ticker NKLA, the stock is up 18.6%. They're followed by the Dave stock. They've been up and down this week following their 2022 revenue guidance and securing a $100 million FTX investment to boost their crypto presence. And the Mattel stock under the ticker MAT, their stock is up about 7.4% after being upgraded on the Validia's growth value investor model. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Apellis Pharmaceuticals after they announced a $350 million public offering. Under the ticker APLS, the stock is down about 7.3%. They're followed by GameStop under the ticker GME. They're down about 5.4%, cooling off from big gains earlier this week following Ryan Cohen's big purchase. And the Weibo stock under the ticker WB down about 3.9% after the SEC added it to the delisting list. So that is going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you head on over to TipRanks TV and say good morning in the comments over there. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Make sure you check out some of the awesome exclusive content on the platform as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.